Wondering what to use ginger essential oil for or what you can mix with ginger essential oil? In this video, I'm going to share the answers to those questions and so much more about ginger essential oil. I'm Mandy Sommers, essential oil educator and enthusiast. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new video. I've been teaching about the power of these amazing essential oils for the last 9 years, and I'm really excited to share with you all about ginger essential oil. Stick around to the end and I'm going to teach you how to download my free essential oil usage guide with over 100 essential oils and their traditional uses. Before I jump into this video though, I always like to ask you what your favorite uses are for ginger essential oil so you can share them with our YouTube community. If you have a favorite use, please go ahead and put it in the comments below. We would love to hear from you. An excellent digestive tonic, ginger essential oil has a warming and stimulating effect on the body. It is well known for its ability to warm the stomach. doTERRA's ginger essential oil is sourced from Madagascar and Indonesia for its potent oil that may ease occasional feelings of nausea. So what is ginger essential oil good for? Hot, spicy, earthy, and sweet. Ginger is the world's most widely cultivated spice, and people have been enjoying its many benefits for over 5,000 years. A relative of cardamom and turmeric, ginger is also native to Asia, where its popularity used as digestive tonic and a feature ingredient in curries, soups, and stir fries. Traditional Chinese health practices suggest ginger for its warming, stimulating effects, while Ayurvedic practices focuses on ginger's digestive benefits. In ancient Greece, people ate thin slices of ginger wrapped in a bread to aid digestion. In Europe, this idea evolved into grating the ginger rhizome into the bread dough, and gingerbread was born. During the Middle Ages, gingerbread guilds controlled the production of this valuable sweet, which was enjoyed for its flavor as well as its ability to help support healthy digestion. So, is ginger good for digestion? The primary constituents of ginger is zingiberine, which has been researched for its ability to reduce bloating. doTERRA's ginger essential oil is distilled from the ginger plants that are grown in and harvested in Madagascar. This oil derives antioxidant protections and may help reduce bloating, gas, and occasional indigestion. Experimental research has shown that ginger essential oil has beneficial digestive effects when taken internally. Ginger is an energizing essential oil that helps dispel fatigue and boredom. Add a drop to a smoothie recipe or diffuse during the mid-afternoon for a natural boost of concentration. To take ginger oil internally, add 1 to 2 drops in a glass of water or a veggie capsule. So how do I use ginger essential oil? The aroma of ginger can help soothe the stomach. During a long car ride, diffuse ginger in the car or place a drop of ginger in the palm of your hand and inhale. For a soothing abdominal massage, dilute ginger essential oil with fractionated coconut oil and apply over the lower abdomen. Thanks to its many benefits, ginger essential oil is included in dozens of doTERRA's products. From blends like Cheer, Slim and Sassy, Digestion, to supplements like Alpha CRS and Digest Zen Terrazyme. Here are some fun facts about ginger essential oil, and I might butcher all of these words. The scientific name for ginger is zingiber, which comes from the Sanskrit word shringabera, I think that's how you say it, meaning horn-shaped. doTERRA's ginger essential oil comes from the roots that are distilled fresh and shortly after harvest. This results in a preferred chemical and aromatic profile to other oils distilled from fully dried roots. Ginger blends well with vetiver, fennel, cinnamon bark, Digest Zen, and lemon. Those are some of my favorite things about ginger essential oil. It's freebie time. As promised, I promised I would give you the opportunity to download my free essential oil usage guide with common uses and so much more. Click the link in the description below, put your email in, and I promise that usage guide will go straight to your inbox shortly after with over 100 essential oils and their uses. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked this video, hit that subscribe button, and please reach out to me if you want to schedule a free wellness consultation or if you're interested in getting essential oils at 25% off. Have a wonderful day. Bye.